Yeah, Solar Energy World did a great job. Where we're standing right now during Hurricane Milton, which was the last hurricane just a few months ago, the eye came over us. We were out here in the eye and it was perfectly calm, so we took a direct hit and the panels went nowhere.
This is now the fourth hurricane I've been through, 3 with solar panels, 3 with the batteries, because I purchased them together. With the battery backup, I don't lose power.
Solar Energy World uses solar stack. They use it in Miami, the capital of hurricanes, and it doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, I have no issues with my roof, but even if you drive around right now with people who have solar panels, the area where their solar panel is untouched.
We started off with the solar system with Solar Energy World just to go ahead and run the house, and adding the battery backup gives us power whenever the electricity goes out, which it happens a lot in Florida. We lost power for 3 days during the last hurricane, Hurricane Milton, and this battery backup system took us through the storm, gave us power. It was absolutely fantastic.
I was here through Charlie and I didn't have power for over a month. The lines for gas and the generators were limited.
You could buy a generator and keep putting gas in it and keep having to maintain it and keep having to plug it in the rain.
The neighbors almost felt like maybe our power's starting to come back.
Yeah, they saw my porch light, not realizing that I had the battery and I had power that was being sustained through my solar panels. So she thought that the power was coming back in town, and I felt really bad. I had to tell her, no, that's because I have solar.
The battery backup system, when the power went down and the grid went down, I was able to continually make electricity and use it at the house because I had the battery backup storage. If I had the battery backup storage, I would be out.
I would choose them. There's Solar Energy World. They're just so professional. I've had no problems. Their customer service is wonderful. Solar Energy World did an awesome installation. You're going to get somebody professional, not somebody fly-by-night that just cares about making the sale. They took care of me. They definitely hurried a lot with that storm. They were watching Ian come, and they wanted to make sure that I was taken care of before the storm. And they did everything they could to get my house to where I was ready for that. So that's just the type of stuff that I don't think you necessarily get from another company. They're going to take care of you. They're going to come out. They're going to look at what you're looking to get out of your system, what you want to do. Everybody should get it. You can keep making electricity. You can keep using power. You don't have to worry about it.
So there you have it. As you can see, most of our Solar Energy World customers are extremely happy with that decision to shift over to solar from expensive Florida utility power. And particularly when they add that battery backup system, that gives them that ability to weather the conditions when we go from beautiful blue skies in the Sunshine State to hurricane season. That's going to do it for now, but remember, you can find out even more about how solar can help you at your property by reaching out to us direct. 877-SOLAR-TV or SolarEnergyWorld.com. We'll get you going in Florida or in any of the states we operate in.